So we had a battle with some streets in Winnipeg, Manitoba, Canada, and as you can see, we got a couple of bent rims, and this one you see here is the worst one of the two. As you'll see, we used a old hatchet and a small 2-pound or 3-pound hammer to fix this rim here, to straighten it out. And actually it worked pretty good. Okay, well, watch it to the end. We found another little ding on it, and we fixed that one at the end there. It was right by the valve stem, and we also had lost about 15 pounds of air in the tire over the night that from when it happened to we noticed the bent rim in the morning. And so we pumped it back up to 32 pounds and checked it the next day, and it was holding air good. So we're good to go. And so let me know what you think. Like, subscribe, share, put it out there, and hey, be careful out there, drive safe. 32 pounds. Check it again later.